Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this lovely 208 in the Allure specification. So we've taken this car in part exchange, and some of its features include 16-inch alloy wheels, you have tinted rear windows and reverse parking sensors. Inside the car you've got the 7-inch touchscreen that features DAB digital radio as well as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. On top of this you get air conditioning, there's automatic headlights, wipers and cruise control. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 110 horsepower and has a 6-speed automatic gearbox. It's done under 11,500 miles, and if it's of interest to you then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.